today we are making an origami fox family. We can make a big one or even a little tiny baby one. I'm super excited to show you guys this because it's such an easy craft. I'm going to have my son Lucas joining me so that you will not miss any step. Let's go. All right, here are the supplies we're going to need to make our origami foxes. You are going to need a paper that is in a square. This is 7.5 by 7.5 inches. You don't have to use that same size. It just has to be a perfect square. So we also need some black paper, scissors, pencil, a glue stick, and some googly eyes. Here is our first step. We are going to turn our paper so that it's kind of on a diamond. And then you're going to take the top of your top corner and match it to the bottom corner, just like this. You can have patterns or plain. Just like that. And you're going to make a nice little crease right here. Perfect. The second step is to bring this side of the paper to this side. And make sure your sides all match. Go for it, Lucas. Our next step is to make the ears. It looks a little complicated, but it's not at all. So what we're going to do is we are going to put our finger between the paper here. So we're going to put our finger and we're going to take this side of the paper and we're going to line it up to our crease that we made here in the middle. So watch what I do here with my finger. I've got my finger inside. I'm going to bring this fold up to the middle fold and inch it up and make sure that matches the midline there. Now go all the way down to create a crease. We're going to do that on the same side, but you go ahead and start. Give it a shot. Yep, turn it to however you feel. Perfect. And make a nice, strong crease there. Perfect. I like that color that you picked out. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing to the next side. So we're going to take this line and bring it to that midline. Being careful not to overlap onto the other piece that we just folded. Just like that. Okay, go for it, Lucas. You want me to help you out? Right here. You have to use, there you go. Got it? Okay. Fold all the way up. There you go. Our next step is to glue down both of those sides, just like this. You see the ears?
I think I need more.
Okay. There you go. So it's gonna look just like this. On the other side. So now it's time to make the fox's nose. So let's set these out of the way. We're gonna make his little nose. And so this is super easy. All you need to do is trace. You can see Lucas has already done that for me, but you're just gonna trace the lid from your glue stick. Use a water bottle lid. And then you're just going to cut around that circle. Okay, so then this I'm going to fast forward, okay? All right, what's our next step?
Glue the nose and stick it right on the end.
That's right. The next step is choosing the googly eyes. This is where your little fox is really going to come to life. So I chose, look at how big these little eyeballs are on this fox. he really just like, doesn't he look a little goofy? When you choose bigger eyes, they just look a little more fun. So you can choose whatever you like. This is our time. Ready? All right, so Lucas says he wants to choose some with eyelashes or no? I'm gonna choose these guys, and these are adhesive, so I'm gonna take off the back and I'm just gonna stick them right on. It just means they're stickers. Now that we have the back peeled off of our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and stick them on. You can put them wherever you want on your fox. If you want them up high, you can put them up high. If you want them down low, you can put them down low. I'm gonna put mine about right here. And if you don't have googly eyes, just make some out of paper. So see how that just, I like yours. It just changed the personality. So that's a goofy one. We've got some regular size. I put mine closer to the nose. Now, if you want to make a teeny tiny little fox like this, just make your squares much smaller. So start out with like a 2 by 2 inch square or 1 by 1 inch square and do the same thing. There you have it.